everyone! Welcome to episode 12 of Baking in Blue. Today, we're going to be making some gingerbread men cookies. So let's get started and go over our ingredients. Okay, so here we have 1 cup of salted butter or unsalted butter plus a pinch of salt, a cup of molasses, a cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 4 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cloves, half a teaspoon of ginger, 3/4 of a cup of plain or flavored yogurt. I'm using vanilla here, and then half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. For mixing these cookies together, we're going to first add the butter to a large bowl and beat it until it's creamy. And then add in the sugar, the molasses, and the brown sugar and beat those together. And then add in the egg and beat all of that until it's fluffy. And then in a separate bowl, you're going to combine the flour, the baking soda, the ginger, and the cloves, and then gradually add that to the batter while it's mixing. Once that's all combined, stir in the yogurt and the vanilla extract. And then, once the dough is all mixed together, you're going to form it into a large ball, wrap it up, and then stick it in your refrigerator for at least 12 hours. You want to get it very cold. All right, now that our dough has been fully chilled, we're ready to continue. If your dough is not really firm, stick it in your freezer for an hour or 2. You're gonna see in this blooper video here that I tried to do it when it wasn't firm enough, so make sure you do this. Take your dough out of the fridge or the freezer, unwrap it, and roll it out onto a flat surface that's been floured and sprinkled with sugar. You're going to roll it out to about 1/4 inch thick and then cut it out with a little gingerbread man shaped cookie cutter and put it on a greased cookie sheet. Then we're going to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes, just until they're firm. Take them out, let them fully cool, and then we'll decorate them. So I'll be the first to admit these cookies don't look good. I tried to fix them up a little bit, but they still don't look great. You could either get a more defined cookie cutter than I had, or freeze the cookies for about half an hour before you bake them. I also had no room in my freezer to actually do that, but you can tell that they're homemade. So at least there's that. We're gonna fix them up a little bit more now by decorating them. Okay, we're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Next week, we're going to be making some almond biscotti. So meet me back here for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.